Okay, so this particle moves so that x equals 4 cos 3t plus 2 pi and 3 plus 2. So we want to get the first time when it passes through the origin, so that's when x equals 0. So 0 is 4 cos 3t plus 2 pi on 3 plus 2. Move that to the other side, you get minus 2 over the 4, which equals cos 3t plus 2 pi on 3. So where is cos equal to minus a half? Because that's what that simplifies to. That would be here and here in the second and the third quadrant. So 3t plus 2 pi on 3 equals, so it's minus a half at pi minus pi on 3, because cos equals a half at 60, and 60 is pi on 3, and pi plus pi on 3. So that's 3t plus 2 pi on 3 equals pi minus pi on 3 would be 2 pi on 3, and pi plus pi on 3 would be 4 pi on 3. When you take away the 2 pi on 3, you'll get 0, and 4 pi on 3 minus 2 pi on 3 is just 2 pi on 3. So 3t equals 0 and 2 pi on 3. And then all that's left to do now is to divide by 3. So it'll be initially, and it'll be 2 pi on 9. So initially it is at the origin, but the first time after that would be 2 pi on 9 seconds that it is at the origin again. Okay, so it has a velocity of 6 meters per second, so we want the time. So that means that we are going to have to differentiate that to get the time. So cos will go to minus sine, so it's minus 4 sine 3t plus 2 pi on 3, and then times 3, because that's the derivative of what's inside, and the plus 2 at the end will just go to 0. So that's going to be minus 12 sine 3t plus 2 pi on 3. So we want to know when that equals 6. So it's 6 equals minus 12, 3t plus 2 pi on 3. And then sine 3t plus 2 pi on 3 equals minus a half. So where is sine negative? That's going to be there and there. So 3t plus 2 pi on 3 equals pi plus, now sine is equal to a half at 30, so that's pi on 6, and 2 pi minus pi on 6. So keep going with this, 3t equals, so that's going to be 7 pi on 6 minus 2 pi on 3, and 2 6s are 12, 12 minus 1 is 11 pi on 6 minus 2 pi on 3. So just get a common denominator, so times 2 times 2, times 2 times 2, 3t is 7 pi on 6 minus 4 pi on 6, 11 pi on 6 minus 4 pi on 6. Okay, so that's 3t equals 3 pi on 6, and 11 minus 4 is 7 pi on 6. And then if you divide everything by 3, you get the 3's go out, you end up with pi on 6 and 7 pi on 18. So the first time with this would happen would be pi on 6 seconds. Okay, so next thing is to show that it is simple harmonic motion. So differentiate once, the 2 will go out. That'll be 4 times 3 times minus sine 3t plus 2 pi on 3. X double dot will be 4 times 3 times 3 times minus, now sine will go to cos, 3t plus 2 pi on 3. 4 3s are 12, 3 12s are 36, so it's minus 36 cos 3t plus 2 pi on 3. Now, if you go back up to where the x is, then we're after 4 cos. So 4 cos 3t plus 2 pi on 3 is equal to x minus 2 when you bring that over to the other side. So that means that x double dot equals minus 9 times 4 cos, and I'll just put ditto. So it's minus 9 times x minus 2, which is in simple harmonic motion because it's in the form of acceleration, is in the form of minus n squared x minus c. So find the max speed. That's the next part. So find the max speed. Well, the max speed will just be na. So the n is equal to 3 and the amplitude is 4. So it's 3 times 4, which is 12 meters per second. And part 4, find the center. So the center is at x equals 2, because you can get that from here. That's what it oscillates about, and it goes up 4 and down 4. So 2 plus 4 gives you 6. 2 minus 4 gives you minus 2. So to get the endpoints, it oscillates between 6, there are your endpoints, and minus 2.